Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be another cooking video and we're going to be making blueberry bread. So if you want to see how we're going to make this bread, then please keep watching. For the ingredients that you're going to be needing 2 cups of blueberries, baking soda, 2 eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, and unsalted butter, flour, and I think that's everything. But if it's not, I'll say it as we go ahead. So you're gonna want to take a 9x5 pan and spray it or use butter, however you want to do it. And you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First step is in a large bowl, you're going to want to take 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of butter, salted butter, and ignore this white stain on my shirt. It's toothpaste, but I was not about to change. That's what it's looking like in there, and now you're just going to blend it all together nicely. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this mixer and just mix it all together, but I'm going to do it off camera and I'll be back. Now that we've beaten it all together, you're going to go in with the 2 eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you're going to take 1 cup of milk and mix that all together as well. So we're going to go in with the eggs now, and you just want to take 2 like I said before. And now you're going to take 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And the last thing you're going to add is 1 cup of milk. And now it's just looking like this. It's still very watery from the milk, but you still have to add in all the powder ingredients, so it's honestly not a big deal. You're going to be going in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just adding it into this mixture in the large bowl and mixing it all together nicely. You just are going to pretty much mix this all together now until it's a good consistency, and I'm going to go and do it off camera just to save a little bit of time on camera. So now that we have it looking like a batter consistency, you're going to go in with 2 cups of blueberries, and you can use frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, which I have fresh ones here, and you're just going to pour them in. Just like that. And you're gonna go with your hand now. So like take a spatula. I don't know if this is a spatula, but I don't even care. And you're just gonna mix the blueberries into the mixture. Just like that. Just being gentle that you don't crush the blueberries. And now you're going to pour the mixture into the pan that you greased up. So now we've got it into one pan and it looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven once it's preheated to 350 degrees. And I'll be back to let you guys know how it looks when it's out the oven. But it's going to need an hour to an hour and 15 minutes baking. So just a heads up about that. And you're going to just want to do the standard toothpick check to make sure that it came out like it's done. But yeah, we'll be back when it's all done. So it's been an hour and 15 minutes, and it's probably been like 10 more minutes because I've let this just sit outside the oven to cool down a little bit, but it's still a little bit hot, so it has to sit in here for a little bit longer. But when I take it out and put it back into put it on a plate, I'll be back. So here's the bread, and it smells so good, and it honestly looks so good. And like, if you wanted to make muffins out of this recipe, you could do that too, but I just decided to make it a bread. So I think it's because it's really hot still, and I already cut it, so it's still kind of flimsy going, like it's still a little flimsy right now. But it literally, oh my god, look at all the blueberries in the inside. It looks so good, but it's like steaming hot right now, so it's a little fragile right now. But I'm gonna try to get a little piece. It's so good. Like, the blueberries melt in your mouth, and like this bread here, like the flavor really strives off the blueberries because the bread doesn't have too much like crazy flavors in it. It like really complements the blueberries, and it's really, really good. So if you like this video and you want to give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.